78% of solo creators quit within 6 months because they drown in scattered spreadsheets, forgotten tasks, and analytics overload. So in this final episode of the 30-Day AI Side Hustle Challenge, you'll build a one-screen scaling dashboard inside Notion that funnels every key metric, automation, trigger, and weekly action into a color-coded cockpit. You can review over coffee, then close your laptop and let the machine keep printing cash. Stay to the end, and I'll gift you the exact template drop-in, ready so you skip the tech headache and jump straight to oversight CEO mode. First, grasp why dashboards beat brute force. When your Etsy shop, Gumroad store, Redbubble royalties, email funnel, repurpose syndication, and AI pricing bot run simultaneously, trying to remember each login is like spinning plates blindfolded. A dashboard pulls the 5 data points that actually matter: traffic, conversion, order value, profit, and task reminders, so you fix what's bleeding and amplify what's working in minutes, not hours. Open Notion and create a new page titled AI Empire Command. Add 2 columns. On the left, embed a Google Data Studio report that auto-freshes revenue charts. On the right, embed a Kanban board for weekly tasks. In Data Studio, connect Google Sheets sales log. Drag a stacked bar revenue by marketplace, a sparkline daily net profit, a scorecard email subs, and a bullet conversion rate versus goal. Set color triggers: red when profit less than $30. Day, yellow, $30, $99. Green, $100 plus instant health snapshot. Ow. Back in Notion, build the Kanban board with 3 lanes. This week, done, blocked. Preload review, pricing but, Slack alert Monday. Upload 10 new AI designs Wednesday. Film Friday TikTok teaser. Schedule Pinterest idea pins Sunday. Assign a duration property, so each task chunk fits your 30-minute review window. Next, automate data inflow. Use Zapier to connect Etsy new order trigger greater than Google Sheets sales log row. Second, Zap, Gumroad sale successful greater than Saint Sheet. Third, Redbubble CSV emailed weekly to Gmail label ARB export. Zapier digest parses into Sheet. Fourth, Zap MailerLite new subscriber greater than Google Sheets. Now Data Studio always reflects fresh numbers. Time to integrate your pricing optimizer flags. In AppScript, add a line that, when a price change occurs, writes a row to Google Sheets price moves. Embed that sheet as a filtered table view below your revenue charts. Conditional format rows in red if change lowered profit, teal if raised profit. Pattern interrupt number 1. Cut here and flash an on-screen pop quiz graphic. Comment yes if you D. Trust an AI to change your prices automatically. Nitrate monoxide. If you D. Rather micromanage, then promise to reply to the first 50. Resume. Now build the task auto-scheduler that populates your Kanban each Monday at 7 a.m. Open Notion API automation in Make.com. Every Monday, create tasks. Check Etsy SEO keywords. Record 1 testimonial TikTok and brainstorm 3 new product ideas with ChatGPT, each tagged with 15 or 30-minute duration. Add a checkbox property pattern interrupt done to remind you to include at least 3 retention visuals per video. Mid-video call to action time. Ask viewers to pause. Screenshot their blank Notion page and comment dashboard in progress so you can cheer them on. Viewer screenshots create shareable momentum and push your video into more feeds. Back to build. Embed your beacons traffic analytics script. Beacons greater than settings greater than analytics. Copy graph. Embed links so you see clicks by source. If TikTok drives 60% but Reels only 10%, you know to focus short form there this week. Add a mini calendar database called Launch Schedule, linked to Kanban tasks. Drag and drop a card, gluten-free planner launch email. On to Friday, 9 a.m. Notion timelines ensure you visualize your funnel at a glance, preventing overlapping promos that overwhelm subscribers. For motivation, create a progress bar. Kalau. Property formula, total net profit. Freedom number referencing the $1 million portfolio goal from Day 10 script. Notion formula displays 33% to freedom in green Apomian hit, keeps you consistent. Next, insert a top 3 levers callout, updated weekly. Raise AOV 10%, add 300 subs, upload 20 designs. Underneath, a Notion button create AI prompt sheet, triggers, make. Calm scenario that spins a Google Doc listing 20 mid-journey prompts based on your keyword sheet toke look content pipeline. Drop an inline Loom video how to use this dashboard so future you remembers workflow months later. Think systems, not hustle. Tina, number 2. Quick barrel of your actual dashboard on screen with upbeat ping sound. Zoom on profit graph turning green retention spike. Move on to weekly review ritual. Every Sunday night, open command page scan red or yellow metrics. If revenue dips, check conversion column, maybe product views steady but orders fall, so pricing bot raised price too high. Open price moves table rollback 3% and schedule A/B Tuesday. If traffic flat, view beacons click see Pinterest idea pins plateau, so cue new seasonal pins in pin generator. Next, drag completed tasks to done lane for endorphin boost. Unfinished tasks shift to blocked with note need recipe photo assets. Your Monday self will fix quickly. Put 30-minute timer to avoid dashboard rabbit hole close laptop when timer dings. Discipline beats perfection. Now add AI prediction. In Sheet Forecast, call OpenAI with prompt using last 30 days net profit. Forecast next 30. Assume 5% week-over-week growth, output numeric. Graph forecast versus actual lift gap widens. Adjust lever list. Include idea backlog subdatabase filtered by upvotes. When TikTok commenters suggest vegan version, click thumbs up. Every Monday, sort by votes. Promote top idea to Kanban communitize-led product roadmap. For accountability, create Slack webhook dashboard digest. App script sends Monday summary. Total revenue, top marketplace, list of red metrics, next tasks. Share digest in #hustle-buddies channel so peers nudge you. Layer collaboration mode. Invite a VA or family member into Notion. Assign them upload 2 Redbubble tasks. Set reminder property Notion will ping them automatically. You keep CEO perspective. Pattern interrupt number 3 to close. Slide in tomorrow's teaser clip fast-paced montage of forecast graph. Slack digest ping and revenue milestone confetti overlay tomorrow. How to email revenue with GPT-powered segmentation. End screen queue. Get the free Notion template link below. Then binge the whole challenge playlist to automate your empire. Final CTA. Smash like if you'll build your dashboard tonight. Drop CEO mode in the comments, subscribe for tomorrow's deep segmentation tutorial, and share with a friend still lost in spreadsheets. Implementation checklist. 1. Duplicate template via link. 2. Connect Etsy CSV Zap inside 5 minutes. 3. MB Data Studio chart. 4. Schedule 30-minute Monday review. 5. Post screenshot to #dashboardwins. Reassure viewer. Once built, maintenance is 8 clicks a week, giving them back the energy to design, market, and live. Close with, this is Money Loop. You now own a real business dashboard, not a hobby so. Print your freedom roadmap. Hit the beach and watch the numbers roll in. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend. Hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.